Welcome to Umuavulu, Abo, Enugu State, Nigeria, for the Ogba stage of the biennial return of the ancestors, the Odo Umuavulu Festival. This is the voice of Ike Udechine reporting for Chimedia. Ogba, the dawn runner, represents one of the many stages of Odo which celebrates the biannual visit of the ancestors from the spirit world. During this stage, each Odo representing each village leaves very early in the morning for their farmlands, and on returning back will be joined by a throng of chanting young men as it traces the lineages of the village by stopping at the shrines of each agnet that made up the village. Our takeoff point in this documentary will be Eguma village. Eguma, the bringers of Igede. Eguma Patal Igede. The ones that defied the marauding Igala slave hunters. Onyele Igala. Eguma. Ndu Beni Bonami Ego. And here in Eguma, we are the Umunna of Umu Ihe Makuru Oya. Umu Obuakuma Onyebuaza. And precisely are the ancestral home of architect Ralph Anedi Okwankanebo.
Obama, oh God, keep on coming. Otabroku. Akao. Oh no.
At this stage, every Odo leaves their village and heads towards the main street of the town, where a crowd has converged to welcome them. And interestingly, this particular road during this festival is referred to as the Odo Runway by the townspeople. So, follow me as we join Dr. Obiora Anidi Okbani Bogun as he leads us to the runway.
Abraham. Hey. Call the boys. They can join. They can just join us. Okay. Hey. Guys, let's go. Oh, the danger. To llll Market Square, where the two beautifully decorated Odos, Odo Umuavulu and Ogba, will dance and demonstrate the peaceful existence of two spirits. After this, both Odos will head to the palace of the Igwe of Umuavulu, Abo, Igwe Callistus Njeze, Odalije, to pay him homage. Obama, oh God, keep on coming.
And what a great day it was, the Obanututu stage of Odo Festival of the Umuavulu people of Abo, as people have reveled and had a lot of food, drinks, entertainment, merriment to mark this year's Obanututu stage of the Odo Festival of Umuavulu, Abo. They are looking forward for the big one, which is coming soon. That would be the mother of all festivities in the Odo stages. This is called Igodo. And until the Igodo comes, they will relax and prepare themselves, save enough money, and invite more friends to join them in this interesting culture of receiving the ancestors as they visit every 2 years.
Obama, keep coming.
From Umuavulu, Abo, this is Aikudechime, thanking you for tagging along.
Oh,